BittyBrush. Hi. Let's draw the most beautiful strawberries. Great. Leaves. Seeds. Wonderful. And now let's paint the strawberries red. I really like strawberries, don't you? The seeds are yellow. The leaves are green. Very good. What a cute strawberry turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos.